Hello there guys, tonight we're doing your daily update of APXT stock and my predictions for the future going off the moves that we have seen today. Of course, if you guys are new around here, don't forget to like the video and do subscribe. We make APXT videos all the time, literally every single day, as you guys do seem to love them and it helps the channel grow massively. Of course, if you do want to show that you love them, do leave that like and subscribe, and if you do want to come and join us on our Discord, link is down in the description. I would love to see you guys over there. We're not going to waste any time, we're going to jump straight into this one by having a look at how the stock has been moving over the past day and then zoom out to the longer period. So actually looking at today, we are seeing some growth. That is a nice thing to see. Obviously it's not too much growth at all. Obviously you can see we started off on 14.35, finished off on 14.36. Literally it's a 1 cent increase so far, but if you do have a look at how that has been moving, it's been quite volatile throughout the day. Obviously most of that move is coming from the earlier part up until about 11:30. From then we did actually sell off for the majority of the day, kind of stabilizing from the point of 14.20 and then carrying on for the rest of the day and actually making a very small, almost insignificant increase up to that new point which we are seeing today. Obviously looking at this from the 5-day chart, we can see that the gain is not actually too significant. We're almost positive on the 5-day chart, but it looks like the stock is finally going back up, and I do think that we are probably going to see some growth tomorrow. Now I could be wrong with that, I am not a financial advisor, but that is my opinion. I still think that the stock is very well undervalued and I would like to see it increase a lot more before that merger does happen. So when we look at the 1 month chart, you guys already know what's happened. We've seen this merger announcement of APXT stock, and of course this one going in with Avepoint. Once we saw that merger announced, the price went up, the hype went up, people were buying the stock all over. However, it unfortunately fell from that point, as it often does with these mergers, and then I expected it to go to all-time highs, or at least new highs from here at the point of 14.97. Unfortunately though, it did take a small dive and it went even further down. This took us down to 13.66, and right now I definitely think that this stock is undervalued and I think it definitely deserves to go back up a bit more in the next few days. Now actually we have seen 2 days of positivity on the stock so far, and I think this is a good sign to see. We're not too far off the overall all-time highs. Obviously those highs were up at 15.31. We're at about $1 under that right now. If we can break past this one before Christmas, I would be very happy. I think that's going to set us up in a good position for the new year. Obviously I'll be covering it all the time up until then, but yes, I would like to see this one as being a buy for now. Obviously for the long term, I definitely think this is a very undervalued company, as the merger hasn't gone through, the company's stock has not experienced growth based on what the company does yet. I think all those factors do lead to this stock being extremely undervalued so far. But obviously when we are looking at it right now, I would like to see it break past that point, like I said, before Christmas. I think that will put us on a good path towards the merger, because obviously the merger is going to happen Q1 2021, and I think when that does come around, obviously I would like to see the stock price above $25. So that's my personal predictions, that's my personal hopes for the stock. I am not a financial advisor, that's just my opinion, but I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.